Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, IMX Money, and today I want to talk about IMX Immutable X. I think it's going to be one of the biggest layer 2 solutions other than Polygon Matic, which is at $11 billion market cap right now, I believe. Most of my money, every single dollar I make from work, is mostly going into Polygon Matic. I wish I could put it to IMX, but you know what? It's not really on many US exchanges. It's kind of hard to get, but there are dexes, and that's probably what I'm gonna have to use to get some IMX. But I think it has so much potential because it is made by the people that made Goslin Change, which is another crypto gaming company that has came out with the layer 2 solution, and they have so many NFTs being released on there, and it does use Ethereum or wrapped Ethereum, I believe. I think I want to put a good portion of my money that I have right now into IMX, maybe like $1,000, and see how that goes. Because if it can get to where Polygon Matic is, that will be like an 11x. I'm not saying that it's gonna get there because I know it doesn't have as many partnerships as Polygon Matic. Polygon Matic has partnerships with Coinbase, DraftKings, and I think they're doing something with OpenSea soon. And Coinbase is doing their NFT releases with their NFT marketplace, which is I still think is really in the early stages. I have not been paying attention too much attention to Coinbase NFTs. I'm sorry for saying that. It's just that there's just so many things in the NFT space, and life. I gotta focus on keeping my body mental health up because for the past couple of months, if you've been in the crypto space, you probably know what's been going on. That Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Ethereum have just been going down. Altcoins, it sucks. It's painful to watch an altcoin that you saw had potential go up like 500%. Yeah, 500% up like Solana, and seeing other cryptocurrencies that you were part of just keep on going up, but your investment has just been going down the entire time. It's a little bit stressful, so I tend not to keep up with the crypto space because there money is involved and it's somewhat a little bit stressful. So I think we all in the crypto space or in the investing space know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I think IMX has so much potential. I believe the market cap is at 1.6 billion. It's not going to get that 11x if it gets exactly where Polygon Matic is, but I still think it has a lot of room to grow. And with being incorporating NFTs, I believe they have gods and chains. They have uh bro. Oh, it's not. Dang, it just slipped my mind, and I know it too. I know Ember Sword. Ember Sword is a big NFT game that's going to be coming out in 2022, and they have more. I made an entire video about IMX. I deleted it by accident. Sucks, but yeah, I just wanted to talk about my next big investment, which is most likely going to be IMX and also Polygon Matic. But I like layer 2 solutions. It's like selling a shovel in a digital gold mine. Basically, they're just going to help something that's very outdated, but it is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies. So if that cryptocurrency goes up, I think the layer 2 solution is going to be the next biggest thing, and they have a smaller market cap, which if if people start using the layer 2 solution, I definitely think it has so much room to grow. So thank you guys for watching. That was just really my thoughts on IMX. Gotta say, none of this is financial advice, but just giving my personal opinion on why I want to get into IMX. I think it's a very good cryptocurrency. And thank you guys for watching. You say, boy, I might make some money. Peace.